do looping. So this is using length of the list. Suppose I in range length my tradable stocks. So I will reference to each and every element in the list, and it will go until the length of the stock, from 1 to length of the stock. If I is equal to 1, print my tradable stocks. Let's see what it prints. So it's printing the second element. So we can say that it is printing the second as the indexing starts from 0. If we add here length of my tradable stocks minus 1, it will print out HDFC Bank, and we will just print length minus 1. It won't print anything because it is greater than the length of the stock. So we can do any of this operation, like if we want to trade Tata Motors. So if tradable stocks I, so if Tata Motors in print trade okay, we need to add here I also trade Tata Motors. Suppose we need to sort this list from increasing to decreasing way. We can simply use sort my listed sort. You can see H comes before I comes before R comes before T. So in this alphabetical way, it will sort all the elements in the list.